Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to write a cover letter for quality assurance managers. In this YouTube video, I'll write an example letter for quality assurance managers. Now you can use this example letter for various other related positions like quality assurance technician, officer, or engineer. Now once you are finished writing your own version, I would advise you to download matching and professional looking resume and cover letter templates. Click on the link in the description for more information. Okay, now before we start, let me first emphasize on the most important writing tips for quality assurance managers. First off, use a suitable font and font size. Calibri, Arial or Times New Roman with a 10 to 12 point font size will do. Now don't use novelty style fonts like Script Style, Comic Sans or handwriting fonts. Furthermore, keep a word count of around 300 to 400 words and divide the cover letter into 4 paragraphs. Secondly, personalize your cover letter. There are various ways of doing so. For example, know to whom you need to address your letter to, and include a name in the salutation. Write Dear Mr. Taylor or Dear Miss Taylor, and avoid generic openings such as Dear Sir or Madam, Dear Hiring Manager, and especially not to whom it may concern. Thirdly, do extensive research. For example, check out the staff page, read articles, or connect with people working at the organization via LinkedIn. Now, if you have a networking connection, you should definitely mention it early on in your cover letter. A personal connection is a great way to get your foot in the door. Fourthly, emphasize on key skills for quality assurance managers. Relate your skills and traits to the job requirements. Now don't list your personal traits and skills like you do in your resume, but instead provide context in numbers, statistics, or results that you've achieved. At last, keep your cover letter short, concise, and to the point. Maintain a tone of voice that is confident, courteous, and sincere. And at last, thank the reader for their time and consideration. Now, these are the most important writing tips for quality assurance managers in my opinion. Alright, next up I want to start writing the cover letter example. First we start off by listing our contact information on the left side. In between white lines we put the date and then the hiring manager's name and job title, followed by the company's information. As for the salutation we write Dear Miss Taylor. For American usage we include a dot after the abbreviation. Now for British English you can leave it out. In the first paragraph, also called the introduction, you need to direct the reader's attention. Show your affinity with their core business and inform the reader where you found the job advertisement. After that, you let the reader know about your sufficient experience and skills to succeed in this role. Show some confidence and politely ask the reader to consider your application. In the second paragraph, you need to show your motivation for the job opportunity and organization, but first you need to shortly introduce yourself, and after that you can show your affinity with their core business. For example, focus on something newsworthy or a real-life event that triggered you to apply. Now, key here is to personalize your cover letter and to show the recruiter that you did your research and are in fact motivated. In the third paragraph, you need to match your skills and experience with the duties and responsibilities listed in the job description. Now, key here is to link your qualifications to their ideal candidate. Now, don't simply list your skills and experience like you do in your resume, but instead provide context in numbers, statistics, or awards you've been granted. Remember, your cover letter is a supplement to your resume. In the last paragraph, you capture the essence of your cover letter and inform the reader what you want to discuss about. By doing so, you politely initiate an interview without directly asking for it. After that, you refer to your attached resume and thank the reader for their time and consideration. At last, close in a compelling way. So write either best regards or kind regards, followed by your name and surname. Okay, so we touched upon important writing tips for quality assurance managers and actually made an example letter of around 400 words and 4 paragraphs. Now don't exceed the 5 paragraphs and keep your cover letter on a one-page document. Now if you want this letter or any of the cover letters on my YouTube channel in text format, then check out the link in the description. Now that's it for this video. I want to thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Now if this video was helpful, please leave a like or subscribe for more related content. And if you need more inspiration for writing any of the cover letter paragraphs, then check out my other videos. Other than that, thanks again for watching, and until next time.